Hello everyone, welcome to the JB YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you a very informative awareness regarding to your push button keyless ignition switch. Today I will be sharing the problem with a Hyundai Elantra from 2022. These are the significant problems that we have encountered: unable to turn off the keyless ignition switch, unable to start the engine, and unable to turn off the engine when it starts. There was no trouble code using the scanner, so I decided to go to the body computer, then check the data display of the ignition switch. The keyless ignition switch is not functioning on the body computer data display, so I decided to remove the partial part of the dashboard to access the location. As you can see, there is a loose part at the back portion. That's it. It seems the bracket was broken here. Now let's see. Let's push downward the back portion of the switch and try to switch it off. Okay, let's push the switch like this and then press off. Now it turns off. Meaning to say, the switch was only loose at the back portion because of the damaged bracket. Take a look at the damaged part here. There's a plastic lock that should hold the switch. But now since it was damaged and it's currently loose. Well, it's working now. We can start and crank it by pressing the ignition button. Turn it off. Then let's see. It's working. The ignition was off. Then ignition on again.
Then
Smooth. And then let's see if we can start the car. Oh, it's working
accelerate
now.
a little bit.
Thank you viewers for watching my videos. Hope I give you an idea and information about the possible issues regarding your Hyundai 2022. Hope to see you on my next videos. Please like to share and subscribe. This is JB YouTube channel saying I'm out. Thank you once again.